Now, knowing how to use AI is definitely one thing, but knowing how to utilize artificial intelligence to actually do your job is becoming something else entirely. Across corporate India, AI is no longer sitting in a separate technical silo. It is entering existing professions and rewriting everyday job descriptions. To address this shift, Skills Development Corporation NIIT Limited has launched 5 new professional AI programs under its NIIT digital platform. Now, this move comes as traditional higher education struggles to keep pace with how fast enterprise skill demands are evolving. Data from NIIT's India Skills Gap Report 2026 highlights the scale of this transition. Nearly 40% of employers and academic leaders expect artificial intelligence to fundamentally reshape workforce roles within just the next 3 to 5 years. Now, at the same time, 38% see growing value in industry certifications and micro credentials alongside traditional degrees. Now, when we put both of those two numbers together, the message is quite clarion. The skills employers want are changing faster than traditional academic degrees can adapt to. NIIT's response isn't another generic Learn AI course. Instead, the 5 new tracks span AI engineering, full stack development, data analytics, machine learning, and digital marketing. Now, these shall be embedding AI directly inside established professions. The engineering program, for instance, focuses on AI native deployment using proprietary methodologies, while the marketing and data analytics tracks focus on automating real world business workflows. Anshuman Prasad, business head at NIIT Digital, noted that the next skills divide will separate professionals who operate AI first from those who use AI only at the margins of their roles. Now, the value here is in teaching professionals how to apply AI natively within their existing domains, which I believe also could be a challenge, primarily because of resistance. Anyway, what we are not resisting today is the front page take. But before we get into the details, here is something which is very exciting for me to share with you. Cypher 2026 is back in its 10th edition, and this time around, IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, India's biggest AI summit and expo. And if you're all set, please say hello to IBM Bob himself. Yes, your AI coding buddy. Did you not know him? Well, don't worry. Here's your opportunity too. He actually, you know what Bob does is Bob turns very big ideas into working solutions, and that too at a very brisk pace. Code, create, and ship with guess who? None other than Bob. Because building should be more than just a vibe. And Bob ensures that. And then, of course, now back to NIIT. Now, NIIT, expanding its portfolio into domain-specific AI programs, confirms that the enterprise skilling market has reached a turning point. The real competitive threat facing young professionals is being replaced by someone in their exact same role who knows how to work with AI natively instead of the AI model itself. Now, the shift toward micro-credentials proves that corporate hiring is becoming skills first, forcing training providers to focus on output over awareness. So, well then, logically, that brings me to a question. In an AI-first workplace, will employers care more about, let's say, what degree you hold or what you can actually execute using AI? And would that create a whole new cacophony in the sphere of higher education? Also, I'd like to add another thing, which is the fact that learning AI and being AI native is wonderful and great, but foundationally, I believe a degree will still matter to a great extent, because you will need to understand from a very rudimentary standpoint when AI starts to hallucinate or doesn't respond according to what you want to go ahead and get as an output. But then, well, those are my thoughts. What are yours? Please do let us know in the comments below. Till then, think AI, think AIM.